Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, October 10th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So, on the US dollar yen, there's definitely two possibilities. Possibility number one is this is a crescent to this last 5 waves up, and this is like an A, B, C, and then it goes back up. Possibility number two is this really is the end of a wave 5, and this is a 1, 2, 3 pattern. Well, probably not quite that dramatic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. Notice that possibility number one, possibility number two both have impulsive down, corrective up, and impulsive down. So going down to the weekly time frame, I have this labeled as an ABC, but like I said, it could be a wave 1, it could be a wave 2, and a wave 3 to come. The trading strategy is exactly the same for an A or a 1, looking for shorts. The trading strategy is exactly the same for a B or a 2, looking for longs. The only time it's going to matter the difference is when you get into that wave 3 or wave C. You have to try to use Fibonacci to help you and observe the market to help you decide whether it's a wave C or whether it's a wave 3. Taking it down to the daily time frame, I still think that this right here is the bottom of either an A or a 1. I think this is an ABC, either B or 2. So this is the A, this is a B, and the fact that it made a lower low tells me that it's likely an expanding. And if it is an expanding, then it's likely to go to the 178, 161.8. So I'm not really convinced that this uptrend is over. I think it has a decent amount of upside potential left. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, definitely been looking for longs on this thing ever since about 2 or 3 weeks ago when it broke structure to the upside. I would have been doing nothing over the past 3 weeks except for going long, 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 and definitely still looking for longs. Until it actually breaks this structure right here, I would be doing nothing but looking for three-way pullbacks to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. Taking it right down to that 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, notice this shape right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very, very recognizable Elliot wave move right there. Break of structure. Now, we do have CPI inflation data coming out today, and I was actually thinking that CPI was going to cause the dollar to go down, so this might push down pretty hard. If it does break structure, then I will turn into a seller no matter what my higher time frame says. Otherwise, I would be looking at this right here as possibly just a crescent to the 5 waves up. So I'd be looking for another three-wave pullback, another ABC crescent, another Fibonacci bounce, and another entry to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.